What's up everyone? Today we're unboxing the MSI PRO Z790-S Wi-Fi Intel motherboard. This is a Pro series board built for Intel 12th and 13th gen processors, packed with features at a very competitive price point. Let's get into it. Here's the box. You can see the clean MSI Pro series branding on the front. The board supports DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0 and of course built-in Wi-Fi. A solid choice whether you're building a workstation or a powerful gaming PC. Opening the box now and right away you get that premium feel. The board is well protected with foam padding on all sides. Let's carefully take it out and get a proper look. Here it is, the MSI PRO Z790-S Wi-Fi in all its glory. You can see the clean black PCB with the Lightning S branding. The layout is well organized, VRM heatsinks on the top left, PCIe slots in the center, and M2 slots spread across the board for fast NVMe storage. Let's go through what's in the box. Along with the motherboard, you get the user manual, driver disk, SATA cables, Wi-Fi antenna, and some cable stickers. Nothing flashy, but everything you actually need is here. Now let's take a closer look at the board itself. At the top, you have the LGA 1700 socket ready for Intel 12th and 13th gen CPUs. The 4 DDR5 RAM slots support up to high-speed memory. And the robust VRM setup means this board can handle overclocking without breaking a sweat. On the rear I/O panel, you get USB Type-A, USB Type-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, 2.5G LAN port and the Wi-Fi antenna connectors. Everything you need is right there, no separate cards required. Now let's move to the installation. Here I'm placing the motherboard carefully into the PC case. Make sure the I/O shield lines up perfectly and all the standoff screws are in the right position before you set the board down. With the board seated properly, it's time to connect the front panel cables. These are the small connectors that come from your PC case, and this is where a lot of beginners get confused. Don't worry, let me walk you through it. First, connect the power switch cable. This is what turns your PC on and off. Then connect the reset switch cable right next to it. Check your motherboard manual for the exact pin layout. It's printed clearly in the JFP1 section. Once all the front panel connectors are in place, give everything a final check. Make sure the power switch, reset switch and all cables are firmly seated and nothing is loose. And that's the MSI PRO Z790-S Wi-Fi fully unboxed, installed and connected. This board is an absolute beast for the price. Wi-Fi built-in, PCIe 5.0 support, DDR5 ready and a clean professional look that fits any build. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and drop a comment below. More build videos coming very soon. Stay tuned.